Hello my dear friends, good morning to all of you. After topic number 10, this video lecture is regarding the topic number 11. So the name of your topic number 11 is practice imaginative sympathy. Okay, means what? Whenever you are working as a contributor, at that time sympathy is very important. If you not have any sympathy in your mind, then you cannot work without the self interest. Okay, so whenever you are working at that time sympathy is very important. Sympathy means what? ગુજરાતીમાં જેને કહેવાય છે કે સહાનુભૂતિ. બરાબર છે કે તમે કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિને જો સહાનુભૂતિ નથી આપતા અને વિધાઉટ સહાનુભૂતિ જે પણ કામ કરો છો તો એ નોન કન્ટ્રીબ્યુટર તરીકે વર્ક થાય છે. તો જોઈએ. So first of all, what is sympathy? Then what is imaginative sympathy? Then why imaginative sympathy is required? Then how you enhance the imaginative sympathy? Number of exploration, number of examples regarding the real contributor who are working on this imaginative sympathy, and the conclusion. So first of all, there are the meaning between the empathy and sympathy. What is the difference between them? So both are often is used as the interchangeable with the distinct meaning. So face-to-face concern and understanding and the biological response due to the suffering. So no absorptions in the feeling is to be understanding one's experience or the situation, good or bad. So whenever you are working as a contributor at that time as an employer or as a boss, whenever you are working in your organization at that time, how your employees are feeling good or bad, you have to concern about it, right? So imaginative sympathy means what? Imagination and the harmony of the feeling. So the great gift of the God to us is the imagination. We can easily imagine. If any person is telling story to us, then we can easily imagine it, right? કે કોઈ પર્સન આપણને કોઈ વાત કરે કે ભાઈ આવી રીતે આ થયું હતું તો આપણે એને ઇમેજિન કરી શકીએ છીએ, આપણે એને વર્ણવી શકીએ છીએ. So the harmony of the feeling which is to be a naturally exist in human. So both imagination plus the harmony of feeling is to be ability to see beyond what is visible. So it's a way of thinking. Why imaginative sympathy is required? So to give due to importance to the human aspect of a situation, to appreciate and understand others way of thinking, others way of the life situation and others point of view. Because કે જો તમે સિમ્પથી રાખો છો તો તમે બીજા લોકો એ શું વિચારી રહ્યા છે, એની શું સિચ્યુએશન છે લાઈફમાં, એ તમે સમજી શકો છો. Contributor are able to anticipate it possible interaction, take a multi-dimensional view of the situation, bring a result while taking everybody along with them. કે જે પણ સિચ્યુએશન છે બરાબર છે તો એમાં એ બધાને સાથે લઈને બધા જ લોકોના પોઈન્ટ ઓફ વ્યૂ ડિસ્કસ કરીને અને જે ઇઝીએસ્ટ વે છે મિડવે એ એપ્લિકેબલ કરી શકે છે. સો રાઇટ વિઝડમ કે તમે રાઇટ પર્સનને સિલેક્ટ કરી શકો છો. દેન કસ્ટમર સેન્ટ્રિકટી કે કોઈ પણ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન છે તો કસ્ટમર આર ધ ગોડ ઓફ ઓર વી કેન સે કિંગ ઓફ ધ માર્કેટ. સો વિધાઉટ કસ્ટમર તમે છે એ કામ ન કરી શકો, તો there are to be a customer center. Then overcoming the self mentality of the society is the approaching problem with the enormous amount of the persistence. So always take a positive side of situation. Do not prevent yourself for looking for bigger possibilities. કે જે પણ તમે તમારી mental ability છે according to that you have to imagine yourself and try to be persistence, means કે એના ઉપર ટકી રહેવું અને આગળ આવવું. So here one examples are considered regarding this exploration regarding this concept. So non-contributor look at the activity as a dimensional of the work. So is a clearing proposal is considered here. So one more proposal to be evaluated. So he cannot have one type of interest to do this type of work. So contributor also look to be a vision and dimension of their work. By completing this proposal, I will be able to once more contributor to the nation and the development. કે એ contributor રીતે શું વિચારશે કે હું એક વર્ક વધારે કરીશ તો કંઈક નવું contribution કરી શકીશ. Non-contributors look at the process and efficiency and dimension at the work. So today we proceed 200 patients than yesterday. And contributors look at the human dimension of their work. So today we are able to serve. So here you see proceed and here you can see that the vision is different. કે અહીંયા છે એ vision different છે. શું કહે છે? We have to serve 200 more peoples and complete to the compared to the yesterday. Then Non-contributors is look to immediate benefit for the situation કે જે પણ કામ કરે છે એનું બેનિફિટ એને શું મળશે એ વિચારે છે. I will give the students list to the question to be asked in the exam, then they will be get a good marks. Then contributor also look the longer term of the consequences, so let me help the student to understand the subject so that they can easily and not only for the exam but also able to well to their future job. કે અત્યારે તમને ક્વેશ્ચન આપી દઈએ તો ક્વેશ્ચન રીડ કરો છો માર્ક્સ આવી જાય છે તો એ એક શોર્ટ ટર્મ મેમરી છે કે તમને શોર્ટ પીરિયડ ઓફ માટે એ સારું લાગે છે, બટ જ્યારે તમે ફ્યુચરમાં કંઈ એપ્લિકેબલ થશે તો એ તમને હાર્ડ પડે છે. Then non-contributors see themselves in the narrow material terms. So my degree gives me a power to get a job. Then contributors are able to see themselves wider change maker items. So my education is give me power and the transform society in my own way. Here one rickshaw drivers consider is here one example. Oh dear, I don't think I can off this rickshaw. So there go sir, will you need help so to get to this bank as well? Yes sir, please, થેન્ક યુ. સો અહીંયા તમે જુઓ છો કે એક પોલીસ જે છે કર્મી જે બેંકના વર્કર છે પણ એ વોચમેન હોવા છતાં પણ તે એમને મદદ કરે છે. Then example of 5 real contributors. First one is Swami Vivekananda. So contributor toward the society is identity and unity. Then universalization, Hinduism rise for the eminence, preservation for the Hinduism in the rich diversity. So each soul is to be a political divine. So the goal of the main chiefs is to be divine with their controlling nature, external and internal. Do this to either by the work and worship, by more and do this type of વર્ક. સો સ્વામી વિવેકાનંદ છે તો એમણે સોસાયટી માટે બહુ ખૂબ જ સારું કામ કર્યું છે અને સોસાયટીને રિયુનિયન કરવા માટે એમણે વર્ક કર્યું છે. નેક્સ્ટ વન નેલ્સન માંડેલા. The contributor toward the society is a great fight against the white and black domination and the reverse to everything and the vital force for the fight for the human and the reciprocal equality. So always stand for the tribsum and of the dignity. So Mandela's his autobiography, he says that long war to be a freedom, it ends with the words after the claiming of this many more climb can be get this more concept. So come the responsibility and go with the long walk. કે તમે જે પણ કામ કરો છો just not for do for the just doing work but try to do this work. This will help you for the longer period of time. Then Albert Einstein, man of the imagination is genius, and Einstein's role is World War II, his mistake, and compelling for the abolition for the nuclear weapon, and started the resolutions for the public and scientists. So peace cannot be kept by force, it can be only achieved by the understanding. કે peace જે છે શાંતિ જે છે એ તમે અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડિંગથી લાવી શકો છો એવું કહે છે. વિધાઉટ તમે કોઈને ફોર્સ કરો તો એ મળી શકે નહીં. Then Nick Vujicic is born in the limbs and the doctor have the no expectation that there will be a times during the school when he felt depressed and tired to end of the life, but due to the emotional struggle he had great experience and self-esteem for the loneliness, so he started sharing a story experience to help others and whatever changes have to be in their life. So today Nick is the motivational speaker in the corporate sector, especially for the teenager. So it's a time to motivate ourselves in the world of the great contributor like Nick, because he cannot have legs and hands but he is working as a good contributor in nowadays. Then the Mahatma Gandhi. So there is no need to explain this personality because it's very you know that they are the father of our India. So in the eyes of this making this whole world is the main is, but that is too tough he become. So there is a time you have to be grateful to them and voice regarding the concealness and obliqueness to be better, especially from the separations from their friends, families, and state you have to belong from the life for this absolute and the law for your being. Means whatever you are working, do for your nation. So what is conclusion regarding this topic? So handle the situation multidimensionally, not stick only one topic. You should get the ideas. ક્યારે પણ કંઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ આવે છે તો એક વિચારને લઈને નહીં, પરંતુ બધા જ લોકોના ઓપિનિયન લઈને છે એ ડિસાઇડ કરવું જોઈએ. ઓલવેઝ ટ્રાય ટુ પોઝિટિવ વોટ એવર યુ આર વર્કિંગ, ટ્રાય ટુ બી અ પોઝિટિવ એન્ડ નેવર લીવ યોર સેલ્ફ ઓનલી, કે તમે ખાલી તમારા માટે જ નહીં પણ બીજા લોકો માટે પણ જીવો. ટ્રાય ટુ persistence in life, whatever you are working, try to be a growth in your life. Okay, so you know, yes you can. Okay, so all the very best. Now here our topic number 11 regarding CPD subject completed.